Honorable Minister, representative from the European Union, officers from the Ministry of Rural, Maritime Development and Disaster Management, representative from the Vaiwai Natural Artesian Water, representative from the Latter-day Saints Charities, officers from the Rotary Pacific Water, invited guests from the government and non-government bodies, the Turanga na Tuikande, ladies and gentlemen, and not forgetting our dear children. I kneel before you all to convey our heartfelt appreciation for the funding of the surface water supply project that has changed the livelihood of the Kade people today and for the near future. It is our prayer that the Almighty God will bless you and your various ministries as you continue to be vessel of blessing to other communities in our country. Water is life. Thanking you for giving us a bright new life. With those words, I thank each and every one of you again for the successful implementation of the Village Surface Water Project, Vinaka. I now ask the community to show their appreciation in the usual manner.